Okay.
Hmm? So, dumating na yung PSA 1 and this BGS. So, try natin pa-ship today. Yeah.
PSA. Umbrionis PSA 10. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, PSA 10. So, yan muna yung unboxing natin, later na yung iba.
So, 10% na lang yung battery ko. Anyways, mabilis lang naman to. Ay, sorry. And here we go. This is the BGS opening. So, di na ako magse-second camera. Ito na lang. Para makita nyo buo. Opening na natin. Para maganda talaga, may green ninja sa likod, no? And uy, actually they have 1 and 2 boxes. So for BGS, this purse. Okay guys, first card is PSA BGS 9.5 Nami from OP3. Nice hit, nice hit. Next, yung plastic niya pala. Okay, una makakita. And the next, uy! The Luffy. This is the BGS 9. Sayang to, sabi ko na nga ba, marami kasing bubbles. Yung corners niya okay. PSA 10 to guys. Promise, PSA 10 to. Pag krinak. Next. Manga Sabo from OP4 BGS 9.5. So this one, mahirap talaga magpag-grade sa BGS guys. So yun yung ninyo guys lagi. Next is Manga Shanks BGS 9.5. So ang kulang dito is yung centering daw, 9 lang. Sayang hindi pa nag-10. Ayan guys, so if you're interested in sending your cards, you can contact me for submission. Next is another Manga Shanks BGS 9.5. Ito kulang lang din centering. Centering niya is 9. 10 lahat. So, sayang to. Ano na sana? Na black label, no? And this is my Dragapult. This is mine. So, kung naalala nyo, ito yung nakuha ko kay Boss Rick. This one. This Dragapult. Next, another from, I pulled it from Boss M&M. Paulo Banquero. BGS9. Holo. Centering surface 8.5. So, ayan. Next pack is LeBron James. So, this is Prism LeBron James. This one is actually Boss Pat gave me to this. Boss Matt gave this to me. So, ayan. Mga NBA, no? Next, the comic 1 of 1 Ken Rancho. BGS 8.5. It's sketch Spider-Man. And the 24 karat gold EV. So, ayan. The next box tayo. Next box. First in the line is Gengar from Striking Popping Stickers. So, I have this Pikachu. And yeah, they're grading stickers din. So, nakabaliktad natin nakukuha to. Another popping sticker. Now is Pikachu, I think. This is Pikachu. Yes, Pikachu! 9.5. So, yeah. The all are 9.5, 9.5, 9.5. Zero face 10. So, ayan. Mas maganda pa yung Pikachu niya. Kasi sa akin, 9 surface. Surface niya dito 10. Sayang to. Next one is Manga Nami. So this one has a story. We read it from PSA. Turn out a PSA 9. Now we regrade it to BGS. Yeah, it became 9.5. And another Nami from OP3 leader. This is mine ba? No. I thought this. Uy, putek, grabe. Puro 9. Ayaw mamigay. Wala pa tayong 10. This is Umbreon from Terastal Fest. And yeah, we don't. Puro 9. And this one is Pikachu 9.5. Grabe naman. Ayaw talaga ibigay, guys. Another one. 9.5 again. Manga Luffy. I wanted Luffy. And Umbreon. So yeah. Last two. Sana may maganda. Ano to? Manga Gold Roger 9.5, 9.5. Oh my god. Ayaw talaga ibigay, guys. Ayaw talaga ibigay. Ay! Ano ba yan? Pangatlong Manga Roger. And this one. Ooh! The special Luffy. Look at that. BGS 10. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Thumbnail nga natin to. Ayan, grabe, ang ganda. So, that's for, ano. Then, nakapanood nyo naman yung kanina. Yun lang, guys, for this unboxing. So, we submitted 20 cards. And, yeah. Hopefully, Taurus. Si BGS. Hindi pa rin tayo binigyan ng mga hangers. So, ayun guys. Na-disconnect na yung aking radyo. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!